Costa del Sol. The Costa del Sol is a shining jewel in the south of Spain. Its name means coast of the sun, and it is indeed known for its sun, warmth, and hospitality. An interesting climate, a loving Mediterranean atmosphere, and superb tourist facilities have made this region a fantastic vacation destination. Stretching from Nerja to Gibraltar, this enormous stretch of coastline attracts millions of travelers every year. The Costa del Sol welcomes you with a warm embrace. Here, under the sun, the fresh sea air welcomes you and refreshes your soul. If you want to get lost in the calm and exuberance of the Mediterranean, this beautiful coastline is the perfect place for you. The tourism infrastructure offers a vacation paradise. Luxury hotels, chic restaurants, and entertainment venues cater to all tastes. You will feel special while spending your time here. Costa del Sol is ready to meet all your vacation needs. Come and discover this magical coastline and immerse yourself in its beauty and flavors. Costa del Sol is looking forward to embracing you with an unforgettable vacation experience. Once here, you will understand why millions of travelers choose this amazing region every year. Are you ready for this experience? Costa del Sol is waiting for you. Burriana shines in the dazzling beauty of Spain's southern paradise, the Costa del Sol. With an eye-catching 800 meters of coastline and a wide 40-meter stretch, it is Nerja's largest and most popular beach. With its golden sand and clear gray sea, this beach shines like a natural jewel. Moreover, the local restaurants and bars called Chiringuito offer delicacies that will appeal to your taste buds. Carvajal Beach, the pearl of the Costa del Sol, is a dream stopover for vacationers. The beach is long, wide, and extremely comfortable. The sea is clear and calm, the waves are rare, and the wind is low. Carvajal is a meeting point for a convivial crowd of Spaniards and tourists from Europe. Los Boliches is a corner of paradise, famous for its proud Blue Flag Award. Spending time in Los Boliches, you will not only discover the beauty, but also enjoy the highest standards of service. Do not miss an opportunity to discover the charming atmosphere of these unique beaches and seaside towns. The sunny shores of the Costa del Sol are waiting for you to offer an unforgettable vacation experience.